Hey, I'm Matias with Toast. Today we're going to take a look at the brand new Samsung Galaxy Fold3. A customer just sent us theirs, hot off the press, and we're going to take a look at this, unbox it, and see what we're in for in covering this in gorgeous wood. I like the slim box, slim theme with this guy here. And we get some of this packaging here. Look at this guy. It definitely looks familiar. We got a new camera orientation and a pretty serious bump out. It looks like they've got a little bit more square with the edges and then rounds there, which is kind of nice. I think they're almost following the iPhone theme there a little bit. Still very similar hinge mechanism to what I recall on the Fold 2. Feels a little lighter. Actually, being a different material, I think that was silver on the Fold 2, right? Still some evidence of the seam on that glass. You know, not fired up, but just looking at the glass and the reflections. But it definitely feels cleaner. Like the fold mechanism feels nice. It feels a little more solid. You know, I can't compare it to the 2 because I don't have that in hand, but it definitely feels a little thinner, especially closed. It feels more manageable. Just for comparison, I'm gonna grab my iPhone. It's definitely a lot thicker, but because it's narrower, it doesn't just feel like it's, you know, a tablet in your pocket. It's nice. You've got a pretty massive bump out here with the 3 lenses. I guess this bad boy is waterproof now. Got lots of little mic holes and perf, speaker holes, ports down here. We got that second screen here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap this bad boy in wood, all these sides and the back of it in wood, probably frame out that second screen a little bit, cover the buttons. So yeah, we're gonna get to work. If you're liking these videos, subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next one.